Welcome to PyroSign. Today, we'll walk you through how to navigate and make the most of your PyroSign interface and dashboard. Let's dive right in. Once you log in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, you'll get a quick overview of your account, recent activities, and other useful information. On the left sidebar, you'll see the main navigation menu. This is your control center. Let's go through each section step by step. First, the dashboard. This is where you can see an overview of your recent activities and account details at a glance. Next, we have displays. Here, you can manage and configure all your connected displays. Whether you need to add a new display or update an existing one, this is the place to do it. Locations allows you to set up and manage where your displays are physically located. This is especially useful if you have multiple displays in different places. In the media section, you can upload and organize all your content. You'll be able to manage your images, audio, documents, videos, websites, and YouTube assets from here. Widgets is where you can create and customize interactive elements like clocks, tickers, and weather updates. These widgets can be added to your displays for dynamic content. Layouts lets you design how your content will appear on the screen. Here is where you'll be able to add and manipulate your assets in a layout editor to create the perfect display layout. In playlists, you'll be able to create and schedule playlists for your displays. You'll be able to manage and add those here. Users is where you manage your team, add new users, assign roles, and control permissions to ensure everyone has the right access. Finally, settings is where you can configure your system preferences. Adjust settings to tailor the system to your needs. On the top, you'll see a gear icon that, when pushed, will present you with a menu for modifying your account, billing information, and so on. Let's go through each item one by one. My Profile. You'll be able to view and edit information about yourself that you would like connected users to view. Account Settings. You'll be able to update your password and perform other account functions here. Billing and Subscription. You'll be able to view and update your subscription plan here. Additionally, you can review all your past orders here. Linked Accounts. You'll be able to review and log into any linked accounts here. Workspaces. You'll be able to review and log into any workspaces within the account you're logged into here. Log Out. If you need to log out of all accounts, this is where to do it. Now let's take a closer look at the main dashboard area. On the left, under Need a Place to Start, you have quick action buttons to upload assets, create widgets, and design layouts. In the center, you'll find the display map. This shows the location of your displays. Here, you can quickly check the status and connectivity of each one. On the left, you have Account Information. This section provides all your essential account details, like your logged-in email, workspace, and role on the account you're logged into. To the right, you'll see Recent Activities. This log keeps you updated on all recent changes and updates made to your displays. Lastly, the disk usage chart helps you keep track of your storage. It's a visual representation of the number of assets you have, how much space you've used, and what's still available. And that's it. You're now ready to explore and use the PyroSign dashboard with confidence. Thanks for watching and happy displaying.